Today we're making Ritz peanut butter chocolate cookies decorated for the holidays.
These no-bake Ritz peanut butter chocolate cookies are so easy. We're gonna have Nicholas make them. So here we go, Nicholas. We have Ritz crackers. You're gonna take some peanut butter, put it on one side of the cracker, and then you're gonna make it like a little sandwich. Okay. So we're gonna see if Nicholas can do this whole recipe by himself. Well, you can't break the
These
cracker.
are so weak.
They're Ritz crackers. All right, eat that one. No. Okay. Let me try it again.
Let me try it.
Nice and gentle. Spread the peanut butter over the Ritz cracker. Nice and simple. Get it all the way to the edge and make it a little sandwich like that. So that's the first step. Try to spread the spread the peanut butter on the edge. And then you can hand it to me and I'll make it a little sandwich. Okay. Ta-da. So that's the first step. So now Nicholas has made 12 of our little Ritz peanut butter sandwiches. So we're finished with our peanut butter. And next we're gonna melt some chocolates. So we have chocolate bars, semi-sweet chocolate bars that we're gonna melt in the microwave. And I'm gonna let him do this. Dip them in the chocolate and we're gonna put them right onto parchment. So our chocolate's melted. So now we're gonna dip our sandwich, peanut butter Ritz sandwiches into the chocolate and put them on parchment. So Nicholas, I'm gonna dip one and show you. When we're finished. There we go. I'm gonna shake off the excess and put that right down on the parchment. Okay. So now that we've dipped all of our cookies, our Ritz peanut butter chocolate deliciousness, we're gonna do little sprinkles to make them Christmassy. All right, not so many. A little bit on each. Some candy canes on each one. There we go. Our festive cookies are ready. We're gonna have them chill. Then we're gonna try them out.
For the full recipe, visit nikkigluckus.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Happy holidays.